Very good morning, 8th class students. Our running topic is rational numbers. So in that we completed closure property on operation, addition and subtraction. So today I am going to explain about multiplication. See, first natural numbers. Let A, comma B are two natural numbers. If the result of A into B is also a natural number, we can say natural numbers satisfied closure property under multiplication. So let A, comma B are two natural numbers. If the result of A into B are, let A, comma B are two natural numbers. If the result of A into B is also a natural number, then we can say natural numbers satisfied closure property under multiplication. Now examples. 2, comma 3 are natural numbers. And what about 2 into 3? 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 is also a natural number. Example 2. 3, comma 4 are natural numbers. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 12 is also a natural number. Example 3. 6 into 100 is equal to 600. 6 is a natural number and 100 is a natural number. 6 into 100 is equal to 600. So 100 is also a 600 is also a natural number. What is the conclusion? Natural numbers satisfied closure property under multiplication. Natural number satisfied closure property under multiplication. Next I am going to take all numbers. Let A, comma B are two whole numbers. If the result of A into B is also a whole number, then we can say whole numbers satisfied closure property under multiplication. Let A, comma B are two whole numbers. If the result of A into B is also a whole number, we can say whole numbers satisfied closure property under multiplication. 3, 4 are two whole numbers. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. It is also an whole number, a whole number. Example 2. Next, 4, 100 are two whole numbers. Then the result of 4 into 100 is equal to 400. 400 is also a whole number. So what is the conclusion here? Whole numbers satisfied closure property under multiplication. Closure property, whole numbers satisfy closure property under multiplication. Now next I am going to take integers. Next I am going to take integers. Here, let a comma b are two integers. Let a comma b are two integers. If the result of a into b is also an integer, if the result of a into b is also an integer, we can say closure property satisfied by integers under multiplication. Let a comma b are two integers. If the result of a into b is also an integer, we can say integers satisfied closure property under multiplication. Now I am going to take some examples. Example 1. Minus 2 comma minus 4 are two integers. Then I need minus 2 into minus 4. Minus and minus plus 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8. It is also an integer. Next example 2. Let 100 comma minus 300 are two integers. 100 comma minus 300 are two integers. Now I need 100 into minus 300 is equal to minus 3000. It is also an integer. Okay. 100 comma minus 300 two are integers. 100 into minus 300 is equal to minus 30,000. That is also an integer. What is the conclusion here? Integers satisfy closure property under multiplication. Integers satisfy closure property under multiplication. Now next I am going to take rational numbers. Next I am going to take rational numbers. Here the definition, let a comma b are two rational numbers. If the result of a into b is also a rational number, is also a rational number, we can say We can say rational numbers satisfied closure property under multiplication. Let a comma b are two rational numbers. If the result of a into b is also a rational number, we can say rational numbers satisfied closure property under multiplication. Now some examples on rational numbers. Here example 1. For example, 3 by 2 comma minus 4 by 2 are two rational numbers. Rational, what is the definition of rational numbers? A number which can be written as in the form of p by q, where q not is equal to 0 and p comma q are integers. Here I took two numbers, 3 by 2 and minus 4 by 2 are two rational numbers. Now what I need here? I need 3 by 2 into minus 4 by 2. 3 4s are 12. By 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are 4 3s are is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is also a rational number. Next, example 2. Minus 30 by 7, comma, minus 7 by 20 are two rational numbers. Are two rational numbers. Now what is here? Minus 30 by 7 into minus 7 by 20. See here, 7 7 gets cancelled. 0 0 cancel. So minus into minus plus 3 by 2. It is also a rational number. That is also a rational number. So here minus 30 by 7 and minus 7 by 22 are rational numbers. The result of minus the product of minus 30 by 7 into minus 7 by 20 is also a rational number. So what is the conclusion? Rational numbers satisfy closure property under multiplication. Under multiplication. Now final sheet. So, closure property under multiplication satisfied by natural numbers and also satisfied by whole numbers and also satisfied by integers and also satisfied by rational numbers. Homework. Give any three examples to prove closure property for the following numbers. First one rational number and second one integers. So what is your homework? Give any three examples to prove closure property. Give any three examples to prove closure property of following numbers: rational numbers and integer. So what is the final conclusion? Closure property under multiplication satisfied by natural numbers, satisfied by whole numbers, and satisfied by integers, and also satisfied by rational numbers.